y'all for tuning in today. It's not nearly as nice of a day as we had on Friday. We were up to nearly 84 degrees on Friday and full sun. Today it's 57 and mostly cloudy. But here's a rare moment where the sun has come out. The hoop house here is probably sitting at about 85 Fahrenheit. Got lots of tomato plants coming on. Managed to overwinter quite a few bell peppers as well as some hot peppers from last year. The citrus trees are doing good. They do have some issues with some ants at the moment. I'm just now noticing, but other than that, seem to be doing pretty well. One of my favorite seed-started citrus trees here. Some more tomatoes. Probably gonna plant some more tomatoes today. Anyway, just wanted to share with y'all some of the stuff that's going on in the hoop house at the moment.